Hi, I'm Michael Woods. I'm on the 13th green, or I'm walking down to it here at Kea Golf Club. I've been making some measurements about the playing surface quality, and it's kind of quiet out here. The first group hasn't come through, there's no gallery, and I thought I'd do another crunch video. So I'll just walk across the green to today's hole location, which is behind me, and I'll put the camera down at knee height and I'll let you listen to the crunching sound that happens when you walk across a zoysia putting green. So we're gonna go across to there and I'll just get started walking.